If you want to have highly optimized Google ad campaign, then here are the 5 things which you must have to focus on. So suppose you are already running Google ads and you want to optimize Google ad. And when I'm talking about Google ad, I'm just talking about Google search ad campaign. Search ad campaign. Okay. So here are the 5 things. So point number 1, search terms. So every single time somebody is searching on Google and then your ad pops up, they click on it and then they go to the landing page. Now, if they find the relevant information on the landing page, they call you, they give their inquiries and you connect them and you sell. That's the whole process. But now, depending on the search term, you need to monitor every single day for 15 minutes. Every single day for 15 minutes to understand what exactly they are searching. And whatever the search terms on which our ads are being triggered is aligned with our product and services or not. And there are 2 actions which we take after that. Number 1, if it is aligned with our product and services, then we add this ad into ad group. If it is not aligned, then what we do? Add into the negative keyword. So negative keyword list will help you to ensure that those keywords will not be searched again. I mean, if they search, our ad will not be shown and we'll be able to save our money because we are paying for pay per click, PPC. So that's number 1, search terms. Keep monitoring every single day, 15 minutes. Second is very simple, CTR. CTR, it called it as click-through rate. And what is the meaning of click-through rate? Let's suppose 100 people are able to see the ad, but only 10 people are clicking. Then the click-through rate becomes 10%. What exactly click-through rate means? Means impression happened, means my ad has been shown, but the people has not clicked on it. So click-through rate will go down. It means the ad copy which we have written or all the ad asset which we have used, that was not sufficient and it was not aligned with the keyword which they have searched. It means our ad copy is not aligned. Our ad copy is not as per the search terms. So if the click-through rate is less, then keep optimizing the ad copy as ad assets. That will give you a better score. Yeah. So this is something which need to be done on a regular basis. The third one is going to be conversion rate. Conversion rate. Now here is the journey. A person search on Google, our ad copy appeared, they click on it and then they land to the landing page. And on the landing page, if they find the relevant information and if they feel that you are the person who they're really looking for, who has their solution of the problem which they are looking for, then they will give the inquiry. I mean, they will call you, WhatsApp you, fill a form, whatsoever they want to do, but they will try to reach out to you. If they are trying to reach out to you, then the conversion rate will be up. Means 100 people went into the landing page, only 10 people converted. So that is conversion ratio becomes 10%. Now, if your conversion ratio is low, it means the landing page is not aligned with the ad copy. Okay? Landing page is not aligned with this. So whatever written over here is not aligned with whatever there in the landing page. So it's important to keep monitoring the conversion ratios and ensure that it is working fine. The fourth one is very important, right conversion tracking. Sometimes what happens that we set the wrong conversion tracking and for that matter conversion rate may go up. For example, you might set the conversion tracking as direction clicks. So the moment you set the direction clicks as a conversion tracking, every single person who are going on GMB, which is attached to your Google Ads, if they just click on direction click, it will count as a 1 conversion. So it's very important that you clearly define the conversion. What exactly means of conversion? Conversion means generally if somebody is filling the form, going into the thank you page, and then conversion happens. So that is how you can define. Or somebody is calling you, that is a conversion which we can define. So conversion tracking is very important aspect, and please ensure that you have a proper conversion tracking in place. And fifth, last but not the least, very important one, your overall quality score. So quality score is combination of multiple things. Means what is the speed of the landing page? How relevant your keyword to ad copy to the landing page are aligned? What is your conversion ratio? What is the bounce rate? Means how many times the people are landing to your landing page and then they're bouncing it back. Means they're not staying there. So quality scores exactly defines the overall score of your Google Ads. And it is very important to keep a track on the quality score and have a 10 out of 10 quality score or 9 out of 10 quality score. This saves a lot of money of your ads when you're running ads. Why? Because if you have a higher quality score and even the bidding is low, your ads will still be showing on the top. So quality score is one of the important factor when it comes to whether your ads should be shown on the top or not. Yeah. So keep monitoring this 5, keep monitoring the search terms and keep putting the terms into the negative keywords. Then click-through rate, keep monitoring the click-through rate for weekly basis, daily basis, etc. And keep checking the ad copies and conversion ratio. Then conversion rate, this will indicate whether your landing page is working great or not. Conversion tracking, if your conversion rate is up drastically up down, it is not showing. For example, the conversion rate is showing 50%, but you are just getting 5 calls, means the conversion rate is like actual conversion is 5% where it is, whereas this one is showing 50%. Then please ensure that you correct the conversion tracking. And quality score is something which gives you the overall score of your complete thing. If you get this, then it is fine. My team really works on all these points and I hope you got the value. If you want that our team take care of your complete ad campaigns to generate leads by taking care of all these factors, then there is a form given into the link in the description. Just click on there and inquire it. My team will sit with you and they will just have a look on your ads if you're already running. And if you want to run, then also you can reach out to us and we'll help you to grow your business and will become a growth partner, growth marketing partner for your business. If you have any question related to any of this, or if you have any inquiries related to all of this, just put into that comment section. I'm reading that, my team is reading your comments, and based on that, I'll be creating my next video to clarify all of your doubts. So thank you so much for watching. See you into the next video.